Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for the month of March 2025. Now we've done something we've never done before. We have devoted the stamp set to my cat-loving friends. I know, I'm a dog lover, but about 50% of us are cat lovers, right? And I love how this set turned out and I cannot wait to show you. But are you a member of our club? Why not? Sign up today. You get a never-before-seen stamp set every month mailed right to your door. No shipping is charged. You also become a club member and you get a 15% discount on most of your purchases in our store. Okay. Now, how many of you remember the story of Mavis and Maverick? If you know, you know. That was a story about Amber's cat. If you don't, I'll remind you in a live show, but it was a funny story. But this stamp set is inspired by Mavis and Maverick. That's what we'll say. This set is called Mavis and Maverick. Look at these cute kitty cats. You got the cutest little faces. I think Sylvia did such a good job here. As a dog lover, I kind of struggle with cats, like making them as cute and lovable as I know they can be. But I think Sylvia did such a good job. And I think my cat loving friends are going to love this set. Look at the sentiments. You're the cat's meow. You're the perfect friend. Have a pawsome day. I'm forever yours. Just fur you and stay positive, my friend. And you have to have meow, right? Now, the thing I spent the most time on this set was this mouse. I wanted this mouse to be super chubby and look like it had been getting away with a lot of cheese lately. You have here the little feather toy that cats play with. There's a ball of yarn and the little fish bone, not to mention the paw. This is super cute. Let me show you the samples from Miss Geneva, Miss Opal. Look at this one. It says, stay positive, my friend. And on the inside, it says, have a pawsome day. Isn't that adorable? I love this cat chasing the mouse. And then this guy, look at this. Just for you. This basket is from our basket builder stamp set, and they filled it with the yarn inside of there. Super, super cute. Little bit of thread tied, so you have the little yarn feel and the kitty playing in the basket. And then on the inside, I'm forever yours, meow. Now for a third sample, tonight in my live show, we do a live show every Thursday night, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm going to challenge myself to use this stamp set. Like I said, don't really have a reason to do cats very much. Although my daughter-in-law has 4 cats, so I do have reason to have a cat set for her. So tonight I'm going to play with this one and see what I can do. So come for the live show, see what I do with this stamp set tonight. Now also, if you have this stamp set, either you subscribe and get the stamp set or you purchase the stamp set and you make a project with it and post it to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, you can be entered to win a $50 gift card. We give one away every month, and you might have been our winner from last month, so you want to check the top line of the description of this video to see if you were last month's winner. Hey, thanks so much for being part of our club. I hope you love this one as much as we do, and until next time, bye now.